Good morning, kindergartners. I'm down in this little screen over here today because I wanted to be able to show you my screen. Now that we're in week 3 of distance learning, it's going to look mostly the same, but a little bit different because before I only prepared packets for 2 weeks of learning, and now you're going to have to enter your just in case bag. The only thing you're going to need from your just in case bag this week is your Sunday lessons 131 to 135. Math, my kindergartners are so smart that we are way ahead of the other kindergarten teachers. So we're going to combine math and science this week. So for Sunday, you're going to watch Mrs. Volp's lesson, and you're actually going to need a piece of paper and a pencil to go with the video that she does, okay? And then you have a Sunday worksheet. Then for math and science, you're going to watch this living and non-living video, and you're going to make up a math story about a living thing and solve it, and then you can send it to me. And then we've got IXL here for you to review. Then for reading and writing, you're going to watch Miss Klein's read aloud. You're going to draw a picture of your favorite thing about spring and write a sentence about it. Now, if you look outside, it doesn't really look like spring, does it? But I want you to really think about what spring should look like and sound like and smell like. And then down here, we've got something called Speedy Sight Words. Before I click on that, I'm going to introduce to you the new sight words this week for lesson 23. So I've got flashcards here, so take a look down at my screen. There we go. She, some, over, her, when, and all. So those are our new sight words this week that we're going to focus on. And we're going to do something new called Speedy Sight Words. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link, and it's going to take you to this page that looks like this. Now, you see there's every day of the week over here. What you're going to do is you are going to use a timer to record how long it takes you to read this list of words. And if you want to print this off and keep track of it, you can. Otherwise, maybe just write it down on an extra piece of paper or a sticky note or something. So you might have to ask your parents how to use a timer, and you're just going to hit start, and you're going to read these words: all, her, when, she, some, over, all, her, when, she. And then you're going to stop the timer, and you're going to write down on the Monday time, how long did it take you? And the goal is to read these words faster and faster throughout the week, because it means that you're practicing them really, really well. And some of my friends are way far ahead on their sight word list, so this should be super duper easy. And so that's going to be our reading and writing category. And then you're going to music. Excuse me. You're going to music for specials today. In your looking for more box at the bottom, you can still work in your April packet. If you haven't checked out the bonus board yet, there's lots of great links. And I also put on here, Miss McGinnis has an enrichment Google Classroom, and here's the code if you want to check out some extensions and challenge problems for yourself. So let me know if you have any questions, but this is what our board looks like today and probably most of this week. All right, have a great Monday. Bye.